In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Odoo. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, starting with making sure the right app is installed, and then moving on to creating an actual purchase order. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause whenever you need to. First, open your Odoo workspace and go to the main apps menu. This is where all the different Odoo applications are managed. If you don't see it right away, look for the icon or menu labeled Apps in the top or side navigation bar. Click on that to open the Apps dashboard. Once you're in the Apps section, go to the search bar at the top and type in Purchase. This will filter the available apps so that you only see those related to purchasing. Wait a moment for the results to load and then look for the app simply called Purchase. This is the core purchasing module you'll need. If the Purchase app isn't installed yet, you'll see an Install button on its card. Click on Install. Odoo will take a few moments to set everything up in the background. During this time, avoid refreshing the page or clicking away. Just let the installation complete. When it's done, the button will change and you'll be able to access the module. Now that the Purchase app is installed, you'll see a new Purchase icon in your main Odoo menu. Click on Purchase to open the purchasing dashboard. This is the central place where you'll manage all of your purchase orders, RFQs, and vendor information. To create a new purchase order, look for the New button, usually at the top left of the Purchase Overview screen, and click on it. This opens a blank purchase order form. Here, take your time to fill in all the necessary details. Start by choosing the vendor or supplier from the vendor field, then add the products or services you want to purchase, specifying quantities, unit prices, and any applicable taxes. Review the order date, expected delivery date, and the purchasing company or warehouse if those options appear. Finally, double-check everything for accuracy before saving or confirming the purchase order. When you're confident the information is correct, save the document